welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm Alyssia, and today I'm taking on what's become a classic, healthy, and meal preppable breakfast, perfect for back to school or a work breakfast, overnight oats. And I'm adding a twist to it. 10 twists actually, because I've got 10 flavor combos I'm about to share that might seem a little surprising, but don't knock them till you try them. I also have a free ebook with these flavor combos and full recipes with nutrition for you, and it's available to download in the description. First up,
lemon, poppy seed, and blueberry.
I start with my base overnight oats recipe, which is just oats. I prefer rolled, but quick cooking work fine too, and milk. I use almond milk unless noted, which keeps them dairy free, but you can use any milk you prefer. Then I can go crazy to add flavor. For this one, I've got lemon zest and a bit of juice, poppy seeds, blueberries, and sweetener of choice. Use whatever works for you, liquid or granulated. Add everything to a jar, mix it up, throw it in the fridge, and tomorrow you've got a refreshing overnight oatmeal waiting for you. This one is light and fruity, and I always prefer to eat overnight oats cold, which keeps it an easy on-the-go meal too. Next up,
Apple pie, overnight oats, yeah.
in addition to our oats and milk base, for this one we've got applesauce, diced apple, chopped walnuts, maple syrup, cinnamon, ground ginger, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Into the jar it goes. The beauty of overnight oats is that there's no prep the day you get to enjoy it, and the little prep that there is the night before is so dang easy. In the morning, this one tastes just like apple pie, but cold, like when you're too lazy to heat up the leftovers, which is still definitely not a mistake. How about,
You got peanut butter, you got banana, bacon too, yeah, that's the Elvis, baby.
simple but delicious? The base plus banana, peanut butter, and a little maple syrup for sweetness. That alone would suit me, but it wouldn't be Elvis flavored without that bacon. I like to add a cooked and crumbled piece of bacon the next morning so it's still crisp. That savory, salty bacon mixed with the sweet banana and rich peanut butter, it's good on its own, and it doesn't disappoint in these oats either. We're twisting the flavors more as we go.
Overnight oats, overnight section, and chocolate.
I'm adding cocoa powder, coconut sugar, you could use brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, a pinch of nutmeg, and cayenne for the kick. Wow! Mexican chocolate works perfect for overnight oats because the heat actually comes from the cayenne, not the temperature. The cool overnight oats help to balance and keep this combo palatable and tasty. We're cooling down with
Watermelon, coconut, lime, overnight oats.
watermelon and oatmeal? Why didn't I think of it sooner? We start with the base, and I'm using coconut milk this time, as well as watermelon juice, yogurt of choice, dairy-free is totally fine, lime zest and juice, shredded coconut, and a pinch of salt. Fruity, creamy, and zesty all in one. In the morning, I like to add additional cubed watermelon and toasted coconut flakes for topping. Beautiful, refreshing, naturally sweet, and totally delicious. Let's get rich in flavor again with
Tahini mocha, overnight oats. Oats.
We're adding tahini paste, as well as coffee, cocoa powder, honey, and vanilla extract. It sounds strange, but it tastes divine. Coffee and chocolate are a classic, but many don't realize how well tahini pairs with sweet and bitter tones too. Why not add this nutritionally boosting ingredient if you can? This one isn't a classic, but it should be.
Hazelnut, apricot, raspberry, overnight oats.
Feel free to switch up your milks to make these even more fun. I tried hazelnut milk for this one. And remember, I have an entire episode showing you how to make your own nut milks and tons of flavors that you can get creative with. For this one, I've also got apricot jam, diced dried apricots, fresh raspberries, chopped hazelnuts, and a pinch of salt. Oh man! Not only is this one vibrant from the fruit and tang, but the nuts add a great textural crunch. I top it off with coconut flakes for a natural sweetness to balance the tang. So good. We're back to dessert flavors with
Chocolate ginger pecan.
I switched up the milk again with pecan milk this time, as well as cocoa powder, maple syrup for sweetness, ground ginger, and chopped pecans, and that's all we need to get started. It's rich and delicious as is, but I like to add cacao nibs. You could use chocolate chips, candied ginger, and coconut flakes as toppings for a real treat. This one has fall pie written all over it. Okay, we're done with the chocolate flavors. We're lightening up with this
Sesame matcha overnight oats.
We need matcha powder, but we've also got almond butter, diced dates for sweetness, sesame seeds, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. The key to enjoying anything with matcha is making sure you use a high quality and vibrant green brand. I find that buying the most expensive option at the store tends to do the trick, unfortunately. The good news is that it will last you a while because you don't need much. It won't be bitter, but actually a tad sweet, which pairs really well with the savory sweet almond butter and nutty sesame seeds. Last, maybe weirdest, but definitely not least,
Gotta get those overnight oats. Got strawberry, goat cheese, walnut, baby. Gotta get those overnight oats.
strawberries, crumbled goat cheese, chopped walnuts, honey, fresh basil, and a pinch of salt. This flavor combo is a true classic, but perhaps a bit odd for overnight oats. Still, it does not disappoint. Savory goat cheese complements sweet strawberries perfectly, and the basil adds an extra fresh element to the easy breakfast. And there you go, 10 flavor twists on our favorite healthy breakfast, overnight oats. They are called flavor twists for a reason. They aren't traditional, but they aren't a mistake either. For all of these recipes, you can download the free ebook in the description of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know which flavor twists you want to try and get creative making your own flavor combos on top of your base too. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you next week, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.